Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Arjun. Thank you guys so much for watching the last video where I showed you guys how to uninstall a vinyl decal. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a vinyl decal. Let's get to it. So step number one would be bring the car for a car wash. The materials and tools needed for this installation. First of all, we need a clean microfiber towel, we need some painter's tape, we need a squeegee or a credit card, we need some sort of knife, we need a tape measure, we need our adhesion promoter solution, and we need our graphic. For the graphics, if you guys don't know where to get these, y'all can follow my page on the link tree below, and y'all could order your custom graphic from us. Okay, for the first part of this video, we're going to be cleaning out the surface of the glass. So once we have cleaned the glass, we're going to take our graphic and we're going to learn how to center this graphic on the. What I like to do is I like to fold my graphic in half like this and crease it just at the top edge right there. Once I get that, take my painter's tape, grab a generous roll, place it like that, right at the center fold you made. And just, this is kind of a guessing game kind of thing, so I'm guessing this would be the center. So now to confirm the center, I'm going to take a tape measure, start at the edge of where the graphic starts, and bring it to the edge of the vehicle. At this side we have 18.5 inches. Check the other side. So right here for now we got 16 inches. So what we're going to do is scoop the graphic that side a little bit. So for me, I feel that this is aligned straight. Always don't be scared to measure like 2-3 times and then install it, because once you start installing it and if it's not aligned, you messed up big time. So always measure this. I measured this another 3 times off camera before I'm filming this part, so let's get to it. So now I'm ready to install this graphic after I'm happy with my placement. So what I like to do before I install it is take my squeegee and like give this a few runs like that to make sure all the pieces of the graphic sticks onto the transfer paper. Once you get that done, slowly go to start peeling from the bottom here and make sure every single bit of this graphic gets that onto the transfer sheet. Fold this backwards like that, let it tack on there. Now we got it like this. I like to take my knife and carefully score all the way down and cut a chunk off. I like to give myself a finger space so I don't put the knife on the glass. After we do that, we take our squeegee, we take the second bit of this, and from the inside, we're going to move the squeegee vertically like up and down while installing the graphic onto the window. We kind of got this side done. Let's go do the other side. But first, after I do half of the graphic like this, I usually like to bring my painter's tape to this side, so it's gonna make it easier to do that side. And for this side, we are following the same exact steps as we did for the last side. And now for the best but the last part, is the reveal. So while I peel off the clear sheet, I always like to start from like a corner, like right here, and peel it all the way to the other corner, not peel it sideways like that. Let me show you. There you guys go. How to professionally install a die-cut vinyl decal. And just like that, guys, we've come to the end of today's video. If you feel that I ever brought value to you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe as it helps out the channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. And before I go, I'm going to leave you guys with a quick cinematic for you guys to enjoy. Peace out.